Hey, it's Joel, and welcome to day 8 of the Joel and Me Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, unfortunately, today there isn't any time for any video editing magic. Yeah, I'm kidding. There we go. Now let's go have some breakfast. Today begins with cream cheese and toast. Right then, so with the day started, today we are heading into town with my sister and my grandparents, and of course myself. And we're going to look around at some stores, and my mom's purse ended up breaking, so she would like a new one. And then we're also just going to look around, see if we can find any antique stores, hobby stores, general stores, anything stores. I don't know, either way, let's hit the road. Right, so we just ended up getting out of a little bead shop, and my goodness, am I glad I went in, because I ended up having a little necklace made, and it's another one of those fine arts that is very, very meticulous, and you have to be very patient. But I decided to go with like a red, white, and blue theme, because it was one that reminds me of the Union Jack, which is the flag for England. And then my little sister had one made for my mom, as you can see there. So gold and red is the color palette that she ended up going with. But either way, I'm going to walk into this Ace Hardware and find my grandparents, and then we'll continue walking around. So it's a bit later in the day. I walked out, or rather rode out next to the river. I've been sitting here for a couple minutes just watching the water, listening, because listening to the water moving and flowing is very, very nice. It's very peaceful. But either way, I decided to bring out one of these little electric bikes my grandfather got for myself and my grandmother to ride together. And I was just playing around with it a little bit because this is still relatively new to me. And if you don't know how to use it, it's very easy to fall off. Believe me, I just fell off a good 15 minutes ago and almost fell into the river. But either way, I'm going to go ahead and hop back on and record myself because it's kind of hilarious going over bumps. And, well, I'll probably fall over again. Okay, and, oh boy, we're on the move at last. Oh boy. Well, I just fell off. Oh boy, these things are fun. Although you don't fall off nearly as much when you're using both hands. How you doing? Maybe not how are you doing. How am I doing? How you doing, video? I'm Joel, and I'm probably not being safe. Right then, so now that it is dark outside and I'm having to record in the laundry room, there is the end of day 8 of the Joel and Me Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to be spending quite a while here at this RV park and in this general area, so we're going to be doing quite a couple things, especially now that today, the family members that I'd mentioned that were going to be meeting up with us here actually ended up arriving early today. So we're going to be looking forward to doing some things like horseback riding possibly in the near future, so I look forward to being able to vlog some of that. But either way, I was Joel Homie, your guys' host, and if you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,